Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix plugged-in headphones not working on Android. So there may be some issues. So if you're using a headphones and on the other hand, if your phone does not support the 3.5 mm headphone jack and your phone only has the Type-C port, then what you can do not try to insert this 3.5 mm jack into your USB-C port. It may damage your USB or the charging port as well. So what you can do to fix the issue is that you have to check your headphones if they are breaked from somewhere else. You can check the wire if it's breakage, or if it's bent from somewhere else, then it can cause your headphones not working. So another thing what you can do is check the volume on your phone. You can increase the volume on your phone and drop down this menu. If the media sound from here is all the way to the left, which means it's muted. So what you have to do is turn on the volume to the max and check if your headphones are working or not. Another thing you can also do is check for any phone updates if your phone has any update available. So what you can do is go to the settings of your phone, scroll down all the way to the bottom, go to software update and go to download and install, and your phone will check for updates. If your phone has any updates, it may fix that issue as well. As you can see, my software is up to date because I'm not having any issue with my headphones. Another thing that you can also do is turn off your Bluetooth. If your phone has turned on Bluetooth, then there may be a chance that your phone has been connected to another wireless earphone device. So what you have to do is make sure to turn off the Bluetooth and then connect your earphones, the wired earphones, and check if your problem is fixed or not. Another thing that you can also do, that always use the supported headphones that comes with phone. So if you're using a Samsung phone, then you have to make sure to use the Samsung original hands-free. Sometimes phones do not support the Chinese brand or cheap brands or third-party headphones. So if you're using a third-party headphones, then you may have to change your headphones and use the original ones. So these are all the fixes that you can use to fix your plugged-in headphones not working on Android. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.